Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video we are going to talk about GanttPro, which is very nice project management software or task management software, if you will. We are going to talk about pros and cons. I'll tell you more about GanttPro. We'll check up the pricing and also we'll sign up so you see how the GanttPro looks from inside. So, GanttPro is an advanced online project management software based on Gantt charts, enabling organizations to plan out simplistic strategies with individual team members while keeping the clients updated on every move. It hosts a variety of features assuring seamless businesses, which makes work life much easier. Large teams get to collaborate with each other and avoid unnecessary confusion by making real-time comments and mentions, synchronizing data, attaching important files, and forwarding relevant notifications. Inbuilt budget tracking feature helps accountants calculate estimated costs beside monitoring the actual costs. A variety of security measures protect data stored within the software. It incorporates OneLogin, Okta, Azure AD, and SAML providers along with two-factor authentication system to assure proper safety. Admins are also entitled to monitor log actions, grant permissions, assign or reassign tasks, and schedule working hours. GanttPro supports active integrations with platforms like Google Drive, API, and Jira Cloud. GanttPro is made for all types of companies, small, medium, or even large enterprises, and they are located in Belarus. And you can run it on your web browser as well. When we are checking the pricing, we see that they are providing basic program for $7.99 per user a month used annually. That you can try for free, then Pro for $12.99, Business for $19.99, and on the enterprise level for the largest of the companies that show interest in them. You see they are behind a couple of project manager charts for those big companies like Salesforce, NASA, for example, Amway, and I'm sure that many more. What we are mainly focused is the sign up option. Here you can enter your corporate email or you can just log in with your Gmail account. But let's go and try it first of all this way. Let's create the account. You can also log in by Gmail, but then you don't have to wait for confirmation email. And I'm pretty curious if we'll have to wait for the confirmation email right now. Choose your industry. Let's go with education, and let's go with just me. Matt King. Please specify password that will be used to log in. Company name. I don't know if this is like this subtitle. Okay, educator and engineering. Let's go. Okay, so new project. We have to first type the project. Let's go with test. Okay, start date 25 of 25th of May. Hours, let's go to days. Empty project. Working days we have set to Monday to Friday. Working hours from 9 to 13 and from 14 to 18. So it's 8 hour time. And let's go and create a new project. Straight away, you see it's not your average workplace or Gantt chart. It's really confusing. Like there's too much going on, And also you see it starts today and it ends 31st, but you can, I believe, make it longer. So yeah, you can toy around with it. On the left side, we have our taskbar, which is basically how you can create new project and many more options. You can expand it or prolong it. Then we have the old projects option, your tasks, time logs, team resources, reports, and workload as well. Underneath there, straight away, you can upload your upgrade your plan. Sorry, annually or monthly, but you will lose 20% if you decide to go monthly. But let's focus on our project. So this is our project. Task 1 can easily add a new task, being test 2, for example. Also, you can move it anywhere you want to. You can move it to start at 28. Yeah, like this. And also we can add a milestone and also add a sub project where they'll be running underneath the main project. And also new sub project where we have another field just dedicated to another sub project. Then the new one, it will automatically create new line and scrollable options so you can get exactly where you want to. All sub projects can have another tasks or tests or another sub project. So basically, if you're a big fan of Gantt graphs, this is basically your Ganttgasm, because everything you can do in here. Then we have boards where we can buy the drag and drop system, basically drag and drop every single task or every single sub project into the windows of progress, done, and closed. Easily, you can basically get it on the another level. Every single task you can just move manually without any hassle, and it's basically also intuitive. You don't have to study for it, and it will come all natural to you. But in those graphs, automatically, if you are using board to change the tasks or the status of the task, it's already gonna reflect on your Gantt graph. So let's check the task 1, which is in progress, and when we switch to our board, easily we can move it to the field of done. And when we go back to our Gantt graph, also the status is changed. But we also can do it in the Gantt graph itself, where we can just move it anywhere we like or anywhere we want. From this part, it's the same stuff as you can expect at, for example, Monday.com on Wrike or ClickUp. Those softwares I'm pretty familiar with and I really love them. Also very nice project management softwares and task management softwares. And you can find it on my site and find also a couple of tutorials covering all those softwares. Then easily you can bulk change or overdue task, check for overdue task, critical paths, and many more. So I would say that GanttPro got you covered. Maybe a little bit of concern is that they are at the moment located in Minsk in Belarus, and when we are taking under consideration the fact that the war on Ukraine can complicate stuff and a couple of things, so maybe it's better to play a safe card and pick something else. I strongly recommend you ClickUp, for example, or Monday. Monday.com is preferably one of my most favorite basically Gantt graph alternatives, or ClickUp as well. So guys, if you have any types of questions about GanttPro, please let me know in the comments. And thank you for watching. Hopefully see you soon. Goodbye.